Thanks for coming back to Ship to Shore Crew News. Today we're going to talk about something a little differently. We're going to talk about pollution and the environment and cruise ships and what's going on and what they're doing. I recently shared a video online and someone made the comment of look at all the exhaust coming out of the stacks on those cruise ships. Well, the cruise ships, yes, they are being a polluter, and I'd like to address that. I'd like everybody to know that cruise ships comprise far less than 1% of the global maritime community, are the most identified as major polluters. Even though they are a small number in the global maritime community, cruise lines are at the forefront in developing responsible environmental practices and innovative technologies. Pollution and the impact on the environment are major issues that the cruise industry is trying to tackle. It's not a secret that the cruise industry has not been the cleanest industry. This is something the industry as a whole has been working hard on and working together to help each other reduce their impact on the environment. Back in 2020, cruise ships started using an exhaust gas cleaning system that can reduce sulfur oxide levels by as much as 98% and nitrogen oxides up to 12%, and adding a treatment to its heavy fuel oil to reduce its sulfur content as well. The cruise industry has also started to produce more ships that are being run on LNG. The electrical systems on board run off of a generator powered by the engines. To reduce idling in ports, the cruise industry has agreements with many ports to be able to plug in, which allows for less emissions. So these cruise ships can use shore power instead of running their engines to run their generators, so they can save money on fuel and less pollutants in the environment. Also, cruise ships are being built and retrofitted with LED lights, improving the lighting energy efficiency by nearly 80%. When it comes to sewage, well, international law allows for discharge of untreated sewage beyond 12 miles from shore, but CLIA prohibits the discharge of untreated sewage at sea anywhere around the world. Advanced wastewater treatment systems are installed on all new ships, and many older ones as well. These advanced wastewater treatment systems rival the best systems on land. Also, cruise lines are moving away from single-use plastics. No more plastic straws, plastic utensils, or bottled water on many cruises. Has anyone noticed how many water cartons there are now? So here are some practices of the cruise lines currently. Here are some practices some of the cruise lines currently are doing. Carnival, well, recycles. They recycle, incinerate, or offload a multitude of materials: plastics, glass, aluminum, scrap metal, cooking oil, petroleum oils, refrigerants from its ships for disposal on land. Ships process and incinerate solid waste on board whenever possible, or send it to an approved facility for treatment. Furniture, linen, small appliances, kitchenware, and clothing are some of the dozens of items donated to charities instead of sent to landfills. They have installed exhaust cleaning systems on their fleet to help clean sulfur compounds and particulate matter from the ship's exhaust. More and more, their fleet are being upgraded to use shore-to-shore power technologies while on port, allowing them to switch off internal power sources and save fuel and lessen the air noise pollution. Disney Cruise Lines, well, from early 2014 to early 2021, Disney recycled or reused more than 1,900 tons of metal, glass, plastic, and paper. Additionally, 100% of used cooking oil is offloaded and recycled each week. Some of that is being used to create biodiesel fuel for a fleet of vehicles in the Bahamas. Disney also automates air conditioning systems in several areas of the ships for optimized energy efficiency. Excess heat from power generators is rerouted to power evaporators that help turn seawater into drinkable water. Holland America. They purify wastewater on board. All ships have recycling as well as garbage and hazardous materials. The line donates items such as beds, furniture, and used toiletries to shelters rather than throwing those items away. All printed materials on board is also made with soy-based inks. Oh, that's kind of cool. Dry cleaning machines also use non-hazardous detergent formulated with soy, banana, and orange extracts. Also, several ships have been outfitted to use shore power when available in some ports as well. Msc Cruises, their ships are equipped with incinerators, food pulpers, grinders, and compactors for garbage processing, as well as advanced wastewater treatment plants. MSC has also implemented a hybrid exhaust gas cleaning system on some of its ships and plans to retrofit the other vessels in the future. They also plan on using LNG on the new world-class cruise ships. Norwegian Cruise Line, well, NCL employs a safety, security, health, and environmental protection policy. Under that policy, the line processes and brings ashore a large percentage of solid waste materials. Every ship is equipped with an advanced wastewater treatment system that adheres to high cleanliness standards. They are also installing exhaust gas cleaning systems on all their ships. Princess Cruises, Princess has equipped its entire fleet with state-of-the-art waste management equipment, and all its solids waste is incinerated, recycled, or offloaded for other disposal. They are also investing in exhaust cleaning system as well. The Royal Caribbean Celebrity Azamara Group, well, this family of cruise companies participate in an above and beyond compliance policy geared towards optimized environmental practices. These ships employ an advanced wastewater purification system. The bilge water treatment system captures condensation from air conditioning systems and use water reduction shower heads. They also reduce, reuse, and recycle whenever possible, hand sorting waste from every onboard trash receptacle for proper disposal. Vessels are outfitted with LED and fluorescent lighting, tinted windows, and high efficiency appliances. The company's new ships are being built with high efficiency in mind and are noted for being some of the lowest emission producing ships in the industry. Their hulls are also specifically designed to reduce drag. All the cruise lines are doing so many things the same. They've been working together to make the industry more stronger, efficient, and environmentally friendly. They are working together to come up with new strategies. One interesting strategy is to reduce the friction of the hulls by having a microscopic layer of air on the hull to reduce the drag as it goes through the water. Anyway, when on board, do your part. Make sure you use the recycle bin when it's time to. Try not to get your bed linens washed every day if you don't soil them. Reuse your towels in the bathroom when you can. Bring your own reusable straws if you don't like the cardboard, paper, or candy ones as well. Anyway, I'm glad you guys came back. I hope you found this interesting. Please please subscribe, please share this video. Hopefully I can bring you more informative videos later. Better quality videos too one day. Anyway, I'm having fun at this. Talk to you later. Thanks for coming.